Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to purchase Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So in order to do this procedure, the first thing you need to do is open an account in any crypto exchange platform, for example Bybit or Coinbase, and you need to add in funds through your bank account into that crypto exchange platform, and then you have to purchase some Solana on your crypto exchange platform and then transfer it to your Phantom wallet. Once you transfer that crypto into your Phantom wallet, it will showcase your funds here, and then if you want to buy any meme coin, you just have to click on here, select the token that you want to buy. For example, for this video, I'll choose the Bonk coin, and you just have to click on that. You need to put in the amount on how much crypto you want to convert to. For example, I don't have any Solana with me right now, but if you want, you can put in the value here. For example, any value you want, or you can just click on max where it converts all of your Solana into the selected token. And then once you put in the amount, you just need to click on confirm and your order will get confirmed. And on the home screen, you can see all the funds in the form of your selected tokens. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.